Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening both files, Excel and PowerPoint, saved in the same folder to avoid broken links. Once done, convert your data to an Excel table or define a named range so PowerPoint can reference it reliably. Make sure to remove extra formatting and hide unused rows. This reduces file size and prevents accidental imports. Decide early whether you want an embedded snapshot or a linked object for live updates, because that choice affects later steps and how updates propagate. Copy the exact Excel range or chart you need. Use Ctrl+C and then switch to PowerPoint. Use Paste Special and choose Paste Link as a Microsoft Excel worksheet object. This creates a live link rather than a static image. Once placed, resize and position the object on the slide, and use File right arrow info right arrow edit links to files, or right-click to set update mode, automatic or manual. This approach keeps numbers synced and preserves Excel formulas when you update source data. Finalize by testing. Change a value in Excel, save the workbook, then update links in PowerPoint to confirm the live connection. If links break, make sure both files remain in accessible locations and that file names and folder paths haven't changed. Relink via edit links if needed. Also, be aware that moving files or emailing without the source breaks links. Embed the object for portability or export to PDF when you need a fixed, shareable report. One tip: keep source files in a synced cloud folder to minimize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.